Hey everyone and welcome back. I'm Anton and today I'm gonna show you guys how to download and set up Project Plus, which is a spiritual successor to Project M, a mod of Super Smash Bros. Brawl. Since Project M was abandoned, a team of dedicated fans decided to take what was left of Project M 3.6 and essentially tweak, balance, and add new content to the game. Anyways, before we begin, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to see future tutorials just like this one, and let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to be going through the non-homebrew method and then the homebrew method, so you can find both of the timestamps in the description. So let's start with the non-homebrew method, which uses Brawl Stage Builder as a way to load up custom software without needing the homebrew channel installed. So what you will need is at least a 2GB SD card, and keep in mind it must not be an SDAC or SDXC card, and it must be formatted to FAT32. You'll need a copy of Super Smash Bros. Brawl, which is used to verify you legally own the game, and it will be used to patch and create a brand new modded version. So nothing will happen to your disc and saves whatsoever, and you can continue to play the unmodified version of the game. And finally, you'll need a Nintendo Wii or Wii U, as both should work, and it also doesn't matter which model you have as long as it's not a Wii Mini, as it doesn't have an SD card slot. So now what you will want to do is to go down into the description and go to where it says Project Plus Download. This will take you to the official Project Plus website. Once there, select Download, and there are two versions of Project Plus. There is a light and full version. Now the light version is the one that will work for the exploit, so what you want to do is select light. There's also a mirror alternative as well in case the other one is not working. And now while it's downloading, take your SD card and insert it in your Wii. Now, insert Super Smash Bros. Brawl into your console and then boot up the game. Once it loads, navigate to the stage builder. And if you don't know, this is where the exploit should trigger, allowing us to run code to launch Project Plus. However, to do this, it means that you must remove or delete all of the custom stages you have. And even if you don't have any custom stages, there may be some default ones that come with a new save file of Brawl. However, if you would like to back yours up, what you can do is just move them onto your SD card. So now that we are all good with that, let's power off our console, remove the SD card, and put it in our PC. Now if you want, I recommend renaming the private folder to private old, as that will be your old stages. And then you can place the folder on your computer. Remember, this is optional, and if you don't want any stages or don't want to back them up, this is up to you, but I'm just showing you guys just in case you would like to do that. Now, once the file is downloaded, extract it with WinRAR 7-zip for Windows or the iArchiver if you have Mac. Once it has been extracted, take those files and drag and drop them into your SD card. Once the file transfer has been completed, eject your SD card and insert it in your Wii. Now power on your console and launch Super Smash Bros. Brawl. Once it has booted, navigate to the stage builder once again, and if there are no stages, the exploit should initiate. So if you see all this weird text and strange mess of colors on screen, everything should be working correctly, and after a few seconds, the Project Plus menu should appear. Now you can fully play Project Plus, and to launch it again, all you need to do is visit the stage builder in your regular Super Smash Bros. Brawl game. So now we're going to take a look at the homebrew method, which uses the homebrew channel to conveniently and simply launch the mod. So what you will need is at least a 2GB SD card, and it must be formatted to FAT32. And you can also use an SDAC type card, as the homebrew channel should accept it, although SDXC is not compatible. So I'd recommend going with maybe 16 to 32GB, especially if you want to have a lot of applications and files. You will need a modded Nintendo Wii or Wii U. Again, it doesn't matter which model. I'm not sure if the Wii Mini would work for this, but you can test it if you'd like, as I believe it can have the homebrew channel installed. If you don't have a modded console or are looking into modding, you can check out this video, which should show you the complete process of modding your Wii console and installing the homebrew channel. So go ahead and watch that, and once you're done, head back to this video and continue with the steps. And finally, you will need a copy of Super Smash Bros. Brawl, which is used to verify you legally own the game, and just like I mentioned before, will not alter your disc in any way, and your save data will be protected. Think of Wii mods like adding DLC to games, but some mods may create save data like newer Super Mario Bros. Wii. So what you will want to do is go down into the description and go to where it says Project Plus Download. This will take you to the official Project Plus website, and then select Download. There are two versions of Project Plus. There is both a light and full version. The light version only changes music compression to fit on a 2GB SD card, so you won't lose any content by downloading this version. The light version is also used for the non-homebrew method also, but for here I would recommend whichever one fits on your SD card. So if your card is 2GB large, the light version is probably the way to go, but if you have a much larger card that can fit the full thing, I'd recommend getting that one. So take your SD card and insert it in your PC, and once you select your option, the files will begin downloading. And then once they finish downloading, extract them and then open them, and you will need to take all the folders and drag and drop them into your SD card. Remember, if you have an apps folder already, you can just merge those files in it instead. Once you have done that, you can now eject your SD card and insert it in your system. Now, power on your Wii and launch the Homebrew channel, and you should see the application right inside it. Make sure that you have your Super Smash Bros. Brawl disc in your console and just load up Project Plus. It may take a bit to load, and then once finished, the title screen will appear. Now you can fully enjoy the game, and the Homebrew method makes it extremely easy and convenient to launch. And using this method also allows you to keep all of your custom stages. So now I've shown you the process of how to install Project Plus for both the non-homebrew and homebrew methods, let me discuss what Project M exactly is for those who don't know. And after, I'll discuss what features are brand new and differ from Project M 3.6. So Project M is a mod of Super Smash Bros. Brawl that tries its best to replicate the gameplay of Super Smash Bros. Melee. Melee's physics and mechanics are considered more competitive, while Brawl's are quite floaty and built with casual players in mind, as the Wii's pretty much demographic is more of the casual market anyways. But Project M was built to create more of a competitive experience, and it is pretty well put together. However, the team decided to move on from the project, which is why Project Plus was born, that tries to keep it going with new balance tweaks while giving the UI, graphics, and menus a complete update. In terms of new content, Project Plus includes Knuckles as a brand new playable character. There's also 50 new stages, multiple new costumes, and a plethora of new music, on top of the many additions to Project M from the legacy TE team. Anyways guys, that's about it for the video. I hope you all did enjoy it, and if you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and leave a like. If you do need help, check out the Discord server, as we have a wonderful community, and I also help out there quite often. I plan to do more Wii tutorials like this one, including some other mods and Wii homebrew applications, so let me know which ones you would like to see in the future. And with that, I will see you all in the next one.